Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is old reel-to-reel recorder, and I couldn't find the type recorder I was looking for. The one I was looking for had these cards and had a strip that you could record on the card on the strip. And for whatever reason, we had one in our classroom. A lot of times you just got equipment, they didn't know where else to put it, so you get it put in the classroom with you. Well, a couple of us got to playing with it. And we learned that we could record stuff on those cards. So what would we do? We recorded talking about different people in the classroom. Now, you only had just a few seconds to say something, but we would insult the daylights out of them. And on one of them, we said, well, the teacher's got a wig on. Well, somebody heard one we made about one guy, and he figured out how we were using that thing. Well, he turned state's evidence on us. So he was sitting there. Me and the other guy, we more or less had our stuff in a row. And all they were doing was going by voices. And you got a bunch of little southern kids talking. It's kind of hard to figure out who said what. So a lot of it we blamed on him. And the one where the teacher's wearing a wig, we blamed that on him and got her to believe it. And it didn't turn out as he planned. And I had a previous story about some guys that were in charge of raising and letting down the flag at school. Well, he was one of those boys. He was one of the ones who let the flag hit the ground. And I'd love to know what happened to him on that, but I'd never be able to get the truth out of him, even at this point in life. But after that, we were banned from the recorder. I think it disappeared from the classroom after that. And as funny as that sounds, they had a similar piece of equipment. And somehow they found out that we knew how to operate it. They called us into the library, and they had women in there we didn't know. And they said, well, can you show us how to do this? And we showed them. And there was no ill will after that. I kept in touch with that particular teacher. She's my fourth grade teacher, and she was a pretty good lady. But anyway, it's just one of those things of being youngins in the wrong place at the wrong time. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.